Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm really excited about this video because I'm starting to get into that springy Easter vibe because we're almost there. Like we're almost there. But we're not quite. And the thing is that as I've been out shopping, I'm seeing all these spring pieces and I start getting these ideas of how I can decorate and what I can decorate. So I'm picking up little pieces for spring and Easter all along the way. So today I have a haul for you guys and I'm very excited to show you these pieces. Everything that I've bought in this haul has been so affordable. I've caught a couple of things on clearance, a couple of things from the dollar spot at Target. The reason that I'm doing this early spring haul is because I am very aware that sometimes we'll see pieces that we really like and then they're gone. So these are at the store now. I have bought most of them within the last week and a half. So you can probably find them in the stores. And I wanted to share them with you so you don't miss out on them if there's something that you're interested in. Because again, these are so affordable. I think the most expensive thing I bought was $15. So if you're interested in these pieces, you better jump on them. You better go look and see what you can find. I hope that you get some inspiration from these pieces that I bought. Can you tell I love spring? Because I'm really excited about this, really excited. Also, if you guys enjoy this early spring content, if you'll give this video a thumbs up and let me know that you like it, I would appreciate that. And I would also love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and that way you don't miss out on any new content. You'll be alerted when I post new videos, and we can just become the best of friends. I want you guys to stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to be posting a recipe for some really yummy taco soup. I don't know about you, but it has been cold here in Alabama. We just hit a cold snap. I threw all of these ingredients together and made this delicious taco soup that my mama makes. And so I'm going to be sharing that recipe with you guys at the end. Let's just get right into this video. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is something that I bought off of Amazon, and I was very excited because I got it on a ridiculously good price. I bought some sunglasses and I got 2 pair for $6 because they were on such a good deal on Amazon. So I thought that we could unbox them together and we could just see if they're cute and if I love them. This is the brand in case you love these and need to find them. I'm really excited. And they had lots of different color options and combinations. You buy 2 at a time, but you can get 2 pairs of black, 2 pairs of tortoise, 2 pairs of whatever, or you can mix and match, which is what I did. These are the black pair. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for a good bargain, always. And $6 for 2 pairs of sunglasses seemed like a pretty dang good deal to me, so I couldn't pass it up. How cute these are. Oh my goodness, and they're so lightweight. I really wanted a pair. Oh, girl. Okay. I really wanted a pair for in my car and a pair I could carry with me to the beach this year. So I'm very, very excited about these. I love the way these look. Yay. These might be my favorite. Look at that pretty color. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, this is it. I love it. Okay, so the first spring piece that I picked up is well, I don't know. I have so many favorites out of this. I can't even begin to tell you that one of them is my favorite versus the other. But man, I am so in love with this first piece. Okay, so this first piece is a botanical candle. Botanical. I'm not really sure how I should say that. But this candle, as you can see, it just has the florals and the leaves. I love it. And I only bought one, which was my mistake. I will be going back to get another one. Got this at Michael's. My local Michael's store had these in stock. And I so hope they have them in stock still because like I said, I messed up and I didn't get 2 when I went. I don't know why. I don't know. I think they're from the Ashland Spring line. It was originally $16.99, but I got this on sale for $9.99. I was looking at these before I found these at Michael's and I was pricing them for around $40 a candle. I mean, I can't pay $40 for one candle. I'm not going to pay $40 for one candle. How about that? So this is just stunning to put out. It's an unscented candle. Chances are I'm not gonna burn it because it's just so pretty. But I love this. I mean, tell me that isn't beautiful. Oh, I love it. I've got to go back and get another one. All right, so while I was at Michael's, I picked up one more item that I really love, and I'm contemplating getting a second one of these as well. I don't know. It all is going to depend on when I go back to Michael's and what they have in stock. This wood chip hanging basket. Oh my goodness, guys. This is gorgeous. It is well made, and I think it was $8.99 on sale originally. $14.99, but I got it for $8.99 on sale the other day. And I was just saying, can't you see some just beautiful like spring florals in here? I'm thinking some hydrangeas. This is gonna be gorgeous hanging up, and I am so excited. And like I said, if I go back to Michael's soon and it's still in stock at my local one, I'm gonna be getting another one of these probably, along with the candle. I don't know what I was thinking that day. I should have just picked up what I needed and what I wanted that day, especially for that price. Anyways, I'm loving this. I am so excited to use this. I have been looking for a hanging basket that just fits my style, and when I saw it, I just knew it's the perfect size. I just love the little design around the top. It's beautiful. Don't miss out on this one. Okay, so next I'm moving on to my TJ Maxx finds because I found some good stuff in TJ Maxx. I got two of my items on clearance. So with that being said, you may want to run and see if they're at your local TJ Maxx. They had several of each thing that I got. The first thing I'm going to show you is not necessarily springy, but I thought it would be beautiful to add right here before spring. This shelf, it's a water hyacinth shelf. It's called a decorative ledge is what it's titled. But I saw this and I just love this woven look, and I fell in love with this piece. $14.99, y'all. 15 bucks for this. I am so excited. I can't decide where I'm going to use it, if I'm going to put it in my bedroom somewhere, if I'm going to put it in my entryway. I don't know, but I'm in love with this. Part of me thinks that I should have just went and got a second one because I could have used it, but we all know how I am about not buying two of what I want at the time. I've got big plans for it. I can already see what I'm going to decorate on it. So I thought this would be beautiful to add in right here before springtime. Okay, so next from TJ Maxx, and I don't know if you can hear little voices, but my babies are here and they're outside playing right outside my window. So if you hear their sweet little voices playing, just enjoy them like I do. Okay, so the next thing I got was a set of mugs, and they're not necessarily spring, but I feel like I couldn't pass up on this deal because it was such a good price. And they had so many sets of these. I thought these little mom and dad mugs would be so cute for Blake and me to use. They are beautiful colors on the inside. So the mom one has a light pink and the dad has like a more of, I guess, like a cobalt blue. $6 for this set. I could not leave it in the store. And then I also started thinking, what a great gift this would be for like new parents or your friend when they find out they're expecting. This is such a cute gift. So the last thing that I got from TJ was a set of pillows. And I picked them up and I put them down like 3 times, but I was like, Callie, you know you could use these pillows in a variety of places. So eventually I used my brain and I picked them up, and I'm so glad that I did because they are adorable. It's a set of 2. I gave $24 for it, which, I mean, that's $12 a pillow, which is a pretty good deal because pillows are expensive. Like sometimes one pillow can run you, what, $19.99? I love the lemony look to it. Like, it's like a cream and linen color, and it has the zipper opening so that you can take the inserts out and you can wash these in the washing machine, which with children is a must. The inserts in these are so soft and squishy. We are going to just, I know, snuggle up on these and use them. We use our pillows like crazy. I'm in love with these and I cannot wait to use them. Okay, so this is the real last thing that I got at TJ Maxx. I have been searching for some neutral Easter eggs. While I love spring colors, I'm also just a fan of neutral. Sometimes you just need that, you know, minimal color. I had in my mind that I wanted some wooden Easter eggs. I don't know where you're supposed to find wooden Easter eggs. TJ Maxx came through for me. I got these beautiful, I don't know if you can see this, set of 12 Easter eggs. They were $12.99. And I got these Easter eggs at TJ Maxx. I mean, look how beautiful. That is gorgeous. I could use these on my tiered tray. I can use them in a variety of ways, but I actually have a piece to go with them. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so the last place that I shopped was at Target, and I hit the dollar spot for all of these next couple of items. So, you know as well as I do that at Target, these items will be gone from the dollar spot if you don't get there and get them. So, go get them if you're loving them. The first thing that I got from Target that's gonna go perfectly with my wooden eggs is this little egg holder. Oh my goodness. I have been looking for an egg holder, and I walked in to Target and there it was. Now they had it in this color and I think in a green too, which the green was beautiful. I mean, I contemplated getting the green, but I got something else in green that I'm gonna show you in a second. So I went with the white because I thought the white with this wooden egg, like the contrast, it's gonna be beautiful. This was only $5. Moving on to my green thing that I bought. I have been on the search for a berry bowl. And initially I thought I wanted a white berry bowl or maybe like a light pink berry bowl. But I was at Target, again, browsing the dollar spot with my new egg holder. And I ran across this beauty. Look how beautiful this green color is. I wanted something I knew that was like an earth tone, but I just, initially, like I said, I was kind of thinking white, and then I thought maybe pink for spring, but I was going back to the earthy tones, and then I saw this, and I just knew it had to come home with me. So when I saw this, and I can't remember if it was 5 or 3. I don't remember, but when I saw it, I knew I had to have it. It's beautiful, and I have so many plants, and it's functional. I have been wanting one to use to legit put berries in and put them out, and we eat berries like crazy around here. My kids, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it, we probably have it. So I just have been looking for one of these, and then I found it. And the cool thing about it is these little handles come out. You can just use it plain like this, and it drains out the water. But man, this is adorable. All right, guys, so my last springy item for today is really more geared towards Easter. And when I saw it, okay, I actually saw it maybe like a week before, and I didn't pick it up. And I have had it in my mind like, you needed to get that. Why did you pass on that and for that price? So I went back and it was still there in the dollar spot. Look at this cute little bunny cutting board. I mean, so cute for Easter. This is gonna be perfect to layer in the kitchen, and even, I mean, it's food safe, so you can even like do something cute for your kids on it, like some little Easter snacks. I knew when I saw this that I should have got it the first time, but then thank goodness when I went back it was still there. And again, it was either $3 or $5, I don't remember. But if you want one, you probably better go sooner rather than later, because they were on the way out. And when I look online to search for it, there is no searching for it. I will say I've seen some similar bunny boards. They're bigger now, don't get me wrong, but they're going for like $15 or $20. And like I said, I either gave 3 or 5 for this. I don't remember. But that is such a good price, and I feel like you cannot pass that up. But I love this, and I'm gonna be able to use it so much. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you spring decor wise. I am so excited for spring. I am ready. I am tired of this cold weather. I am ready for some warmth, and I'm ready for the days to be longer. So I am looking forward to spring so much. I just wanted to show you what I had bought already, because I know that stuff goes out of stock and then you're left thinking, man, I wish I could have got that for $3 or $5 instead of having to pay $20 for it. So I get that feeling. I've done it before. I've missed out on pieces that I wish I had bought, and so I wanted to let you guys just kind of see what I'm seeing as I'm in the stores. So don't leave this video just yet, because remember, I'm going to be showing you how to make some taco soup that is delicious. I'm going to use chicken instead of beef. You could replace the chicken with the beef if that's more your style. It is delicious. It is so good, and I think that you'll love it. It does have a little spice to it based on what I'm using. You could use mild versions of things like mild rotel or mild taco seasoning. That's totally your preference. We just happen to like a little spice, and that's fine. Don't leave just yet, because I'm about to show you how to make the taco soup. But for this moment, I'm gonna put my new shades on, and I'm going outside to play with my babies. Hang tight for that recipe. Okay, so I used one chicken breast that I chopped up just so it would cook a little bit quicker, but you can use beef if you'd rather with this. Then one small onion chopped up, then one packet of taco seasoning. I used the original, but you could use the mild or the cheesy if you wanted a different flavor to it. I also used 1 cup of chicken broth to give it just a little bit better flavor. It called for a cup of water, but I really liked the chicken broth a little bit better. Next is just 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of chili beans. I think these are the mild chili beans, which would help it not to be so spicy, but you could get it a little bit spicier if you wanted. Depends on your preference. 1 can of corn drained. 1 can of pinto beans, but rinse and drain those. Then 1 can of rotel. I did original. You could do mild if you wanted it to be less spicy. And then just 1 envelope of ranch. You mix all these ingredients together. I cooked it on high for about 4 hours, or you could do low for about 6, but this was absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.